Hello, I'm Clifford Bennett. Just a quick update on what's been going on in the world today, and I think it's very historically significant. The market's sort of gone ho-hum about it, but I think it's very historically significant that Europe has achieved a positive GDP outcome for second quarter. I was perhaps one of the first economists in the world to suggest that we would see positive GDP growth for Europe this year, and that is on track with the Eurozone just reporting 0.3% growth in the second quarter. First quarter was revised to 0.3% of a contraction. So we basically have a zero growth rate in Europe for the first half of the year, but we're seeing acceleration, and a lot of other data is pointing in the right direction. So we're looking at a situation where through the second half of the year, we should have again positive quarters. So whereas a lot of people were forecasting, even the ECB was forecasting contraction of 0.6, 0.7%, some even 1%, 1.2 this year for Europe, Europe will in fact expand probably around 0.6, 0.7%, maybe even 1.2. So it's exactly the reverse of what people were expecting. Now, markets did expect that today's data would be slightly positive, so there's a little bit of, buy the rumor, sell the fact, but at the same time, we have to remember that this is an economy that's now expanding with strong corporate profits compared to what were people forecasting for now. A deep European recession where the euro disintegrated, etc., etc. That hasn't been the case. Europe has stood the test of the challenge of their sovereign debt crisis. They're doing something about their fiscal challenge, more than the US, in fact. And the two largest economies in Europe, according to today's data, Germany and France, are growing at about the same pace or faster than the United States. While the markets have gone while the markets have gone sort of ho-hum about the events of today, the data of today, I think we'll look back on this in years to come as a very historical moment where the world started to achieve synchronized global growth. That is, Europe, Asia, the United States, all growing. So I think we have a very positive outlook for the second half of this year and into 2014. Thank you.